What makes it rain? The short answer: what causes rain? Clouds are made up of water droplets. Within a cloud, water droplets condense onto one another, causing the droplets to grow. When these water droplets get too heavy to stay suspended in the cloud, they fall to earth as rain. Come to think of it, what makes it snow, hail, and sleet? All these forms of water don't fall out of a clear blue sky. You need clouds. But what make clouds? Clouds form water or ice that has evaporated from Earth's surface or from plants that give off water and oxygen as a product of photosynthesis. When it evaporates, that is, rises from Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Water is in the form of a gas, water vapor. Water vapor turns into clouds when it cools and condenses, that is, turns back into liquid water or ice. In order to condense, water vapor must have a solid to glom onto. This solid, seed, may be a speck of dust or pollen, or a drop of water or crystal of ice. Dew is water vapor that has condensed back onto Earth's surface on grass or a car's windshield. For example, in the cloud with more water condensing onto the other water droplets. The droplets grow when they get too heavy to stay suspended in the cloud, even when updrafts within the cloud. They fall to earth as rain. If the air in the cloud is below the freezing point, 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees Celsius, ice crystals form. If the air all the way down to the ground is also freezing or below, you get snow. However, if the layers of atmosphere within the cloud and between the cloud and the ground alternate between warmer than freezing and colder than freezing, you get other kinds of precipitation. Precipitation. For example, if a snowflake falls to a warmer part of the cloud, it gets coated with water, then frozen again as it flows back into the colder part. It can go round and round, adding more and more layers of new ice. When it's too heavy to stay up, what finally comes down its here. It's a updraft when the thunder clouds are strong enough. The hailstones can get pretty big before they become too heavy to stay up. Hailstones can range from pea size to golf ball size and up.